All right, so I just got some of this Meraki Methylene Blue from Meraki Medicinal, and I've been wanting to try it. It's some of the more pricey Methylene Blue, but it says that it's authentic, tested, and approved, and all that. But I'm going to go ahead and pour me up a shot of water. And it says on the package to start out, but I frequently take Methylene Blue. It says 3 to 5 drops. Well, we're going to see how 3 to 5 drops interacts in the water here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. And I mean, let's see how it disperses, just 5 drops. So normally everyone else is like 1%. It's made in Las Vegas. It doesn't really have it says it. All batches are triple tested for purity and potency. Email us for the latest latest test results. It says these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Do not use it if pregnant or nursing. So 1 dropper is 5 milligrams. So 20 drops is 1 ml. So it says it's 30 mLs. So we've got quite a bit of mix. It's still kind of keeping itself together. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put 5 more in here because I take Methylene Blue. All right, so if you're a frequent flyer, you can take 1 to 3 full droppers full in a cool liquid. All right. Okay, with that amount, it has that harsh taste. It does. So this appears taste-wise to be a little stronger. I'm not really a lot of blue, but I only got like 10 drops in me. Okay. I'll test tomorrow. I'll test to see how much a dropper has. All right. All right. I'm going to go drop off a present for my buddy at the post office. Y'all have a good day. All right, so I said I'd show you how this Meraki Methylene Blue, and I take Methylene Blue probably every other day, sometimes twice a day. I gauge it by the by the color, if my urine stays blue. So I only took 5 drops yesterday of this Meraki Blue. I mean, because it suggested it, but it suggested to take it 5 drops for the first time, but I'm a Methylene Blue taker. All right, so today I told you and I'm going to go ahead and start off with the full dropper like it suggests, but I'm going to see how many drops it takes to fill up a full dropper. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 drops. So 17 drops for the, yeah, it kind of and they say that this is tested. I mean, I know that I'm expecting yesterday, so I am expecting my urine to be a dark blue today. Normally I take, let me just show it to you. Normally I take this, and I bought this off Heltropin. I bought this off Amazon. It's got a photoresistant tube, so light isn't exposed to it. And I've taken the Hodge Twins, which is a pretty decent methylene blue. And this is Bloom Grace. I don't know. To me, it kind of seems a little on the weak side. And then this here is I forget what flavor or what brand of methylene blue that this is, but this one like has a lemon flavor, I believe. I haven't taken these in a while. I was kind of disappointed with these. Okay, it just seemed to not work. This was a lot. The Heltropin was a lot cheaper, and I could feel the effects of the methylene blue whenever I took it. Now this one was pretty decent with, was it 5 drops or 10 drops yesterday? So we're at 17 drops with this. All right, let me see how it tastes. I mean, it mixed pretty well. I mean, it kind of moved evenly through the water. My coffee just finished. See my kettlebell shirts. I do kettlebell workouts. There's some toothpaste, I think. Yeah. Let's see how it looks with the after I drink it. All right, okay, we're still not getting that heavy bluing of the mouth with this. Here, now, I go ahead and put a little bit more water in here to kind of get the remaining methylene blue out of there. But I have noticed that my mental acuity is totally, but I mean, I'm 57 years old, so I forget a lot, and this has helped with that. All right. Well, so it left that nice methylene blue flavor in your mouth. That, not nice, I mean, it's kind of, I mean, there's a little bit of bluish tint on the tongue. But I took a full dropper full. I could take up to 3 according to the directions. I took a full one today, which is about 16, 17 drops. Okay, yesterday I think I took 10. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Oops, methylene blue's not working right now. I just have to go and look at the video. But you'll watch it because I'm going to add it to this video. But the methylene blue, if you know, I've been on. Let me see how to put this. So I've battled anxiety for many years, and a lot of people have said that this has combated their anxiety, and can I attest to that? Yeah, I mean, I can say that this, but I'm also more mature, and then as far as memory and energy. I did, after taking this yesterday, maybe it was just the switch. Maybe that big bottle of that Heltropin is not as good as this. But I had some congestion in my head. And I did notice some, I'm not saying this is a decongestant. I'm not. But it does promote oxygenation of the blood or something. And that's what the claims are, methylene blue, I believe. Go research it yourself. But I totally had some, I felt my ears drain shortly after taking this. And I had these, like the stuff in my throat loosen up, and I, I didn't swallow it, right? So, it was a big, and this stuff's like, methylene blue in the past has been like it's like like has some kind of antibacterial type agent about it. And man, and they weren't small, dude. Everyone's really hacked up a booger, and these were like some big ones. I just started feeling better, like immediately. And maybe I just, I don't know. Maybe I was just ready to expel the congestion in my head, but boy, I felt bad. I like had headaches and stuff for the like couple of days, and I took, but I've been taking that other stuff too. So maybe it's just the therapy, the continued therapy of this that kind of helped me loosen it up, or maybe this stuff's just that much better. But ironic, that's what happened. All right, thanks for watching.